Hey everyone, this is Vanessa, and today I'm going to be talking about the Lip Lure Hydrating Lip Lacquer. I can't ever pronounce that word. It's kind of hard to see because of the light, because the wording on the silver tube is silver. There you go. It is PUR. The brand is PÜR. So according to the website, their website description of this product says, "Let your lips speak for you with beautifully bold color and brilliant shine. PÜR's richly pigmented lap lacquers saturate your lips in true color and pout perfecting hydration. Using a unique flocked shower head applicator, this creamy, full coverage liquid formula creates a show-stopping look in just one stroke." I really like this lipstick, or it's more like a gloss. It doesn't have like it's not super glossy, but it also doesn't have a matte finish. It's like right in between, and I just really like it. I have it in the color Graceful. Get a little bit of information there at the bottom that you can't really see because it's so tiny. It says that it has some benefits. So it's also a moisturizer. It says that it has encapsulated mineral water from the Swiss Alps, which gives the skin deep, nourishing, lasting hydration. It's free of parabens, it is vegan approved, it's gluten free, and it is also, both the product and the container, the tube, are BPA free, which is really cool. That's always like really great because we all know that like BPA is like really not good for you. But yeah, I'll go ahead and open this up to show you. It's kind of like an orangey color. So the applicator is very different from like any of the other lipsticks that I have. It's kind of like spongy. It's a really soft applicator, and you have to twist until you hear like a click to hear it. Like when you twist this, the bottom, you'll hear it clicking, and then the product will come out. When you use the product for the first time, you have to twist it a few times before you actually get product to come out. But it is super pigmented, which I really like. I can go ahead and do a little bit and show you. You can kind of see the product coming out a little bit there. Maybe. There you go. Whoa, actually a lot of product just came out. My bad. But I can go ahead and do a swatch. It's really interesting. Like, it's a really pretty pigment. It goes on pretty smooth even with this applicator. I do like that it has a little bit of an angle. I think the angle always just makes for you can like see there. You have to be careful because of the applicator. Like, can you see like here? You can kind of see the texture of the applicator, so you have to make sure that you like really smooth it over your lips when you're using it so that you're not left with that. But yeah, it is an angled applicator, which I always like because I just feel like you get a more precise application. So when you're actually putting it on, you have to, like I said, click the pen to get the product to come out through, they call it a shower head applicator because it just comes out in like those tiny little holes, and then you start in the middle of your lips and then you kind of sweep out from there out to the side to like the edges of your lips. And yeah, it does create a pretty flawless, like once you smooth it, you have to make sure that you really smooth it over, because then it's just gonna, like I said, you're gonna be left with the texture of the applicator. It doesn't really dry, so just be aware of that. You're most likely going to have to reapply this throughout your day. It's going to like fade while you eat, but I mean, it doesn't really make me that upset that happens because it's not a lip stain. It doesn't claim to have long-lasting color. It claims to have a good pigment and easy application, and those things are true. So just to know that if you're gonna have like a long day, I would definitely like throw this in your bag so that you can reapply it if you want to, because it is gonna fade, and it's small. It's literally like it's like smaller than a pen or like a marker. It's probably the width of a marker, like the thickness, but it's like small, so it's not gonna take up much room in your bag at all. which is really, really great. But yeah, it has, if you go out like online on purcosmetics.com or on Amazon, you can find a list of ingredients. It has a lot of ingredients, but like I said, it does make sure to let us know, even without reading the ingredients, that it is paraben free. Even though paraben is FDA approved, it's still like, so we really want that in the products that we apply to our skin and our face and our mouth, our lips. So it is paraben free. But yeah, it doesn't come in like a ton of colors, honestly. Like, I think they only release like one color at a time, to be honest. And this is the only color that I believe is out right now, which is disappointing. Like, I do wish that I can get this in more colors, but they'll definitely have my business once they do come out with another color. So yeah, I definitely recommend this lipstick, and I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.